The Technoplat 708 semi-automatic turntable stretch wrapper from RoboPack cuts and attaches the film tail to the load at the end of the wrap cycle automatically. This highest level of semi-automatic stretch wrapper automation saves 34 seconds of labor per load. For the average customer, this translates to labor savings of $30,000 over 5 years and $70,000 over the life of the machine. RoboPack's On-the-Go Pro Remote Control, a standard feature with the Technoplat, allows the fork truck operator to start the wrap cycle while staying on the fork truck. This enables them to leave the current load to pick up and stage another load, which improves productivity. Visit our website today to learn more.